What's good, everybody? On today's video, we're going to look at this immersive gaming light kit. It comes with 2 columns and 34, well, more than 34-inch screen of reels. It is operating on this little button jewel, and you got different modes and different colors, so you can create anything that you want. It also has a very cool microphone built in, so when the action takes over, the lights will go along with it. Stay tuned for the whole video. What's good, everybody? So today we picked up this gaming light kit to make this room just a little more poppy and colorful and easier to play during the night. So this comes with 2 side lamps. You put them right there on the desk and it illuminates the whole room even in the evening. This is meant for a 34-inch maximum, so we're good because this is an old school iMac. So let's go and set this up. All right, so this is kind of what it should look like. Inside we have one box containing all the cables, another box containing more stuff, and finally under here is where we will find our base. So these 2 pucks are the bases for our lights, which are protected by this foam right over here, and they're basically just little tubes. All right, so we've got that, extra clips, and then this is the rest of our LED. So let's go and take some of the hardware out, and let's screw the bases to the light. Alright, so take our weighted puck and grab this. We're going to feed this through here. Make sure you do it on the side where there is the additional bevel. Place this inside, and now we can go and screw the base on. Alright, so once you screw that in, you flatten this up, and then now you have your tube. Now repeat the step, and then we're going to connect these to the main module. This is your module controller that turns the lights on or off. It comes with 4 cables. 2 of them plug into those lights directly, and then they provided you this. This plugs in to one of the ends, and then the other to a power bank that allows you to portably display LEDs, which means you can also take them on the go with you, which is cool. And then of course there is another USB cable that plugs directly into either your keyboard or maybe your computer, so you can have a constant power feed at all times. So let's go and just connect this directly to a USB port, and then we're going to connect these ends, which are labeled 1, 2, into those 2. All right, so they clipped in nicely. So now we've got one here, one here. We'll put the cable in behind. There's one more cable that's got a red connection. This one is for the additional LED strip. So this one is going to essentially stick to the back of your monitor, and it's going to illuminate the back, giving you this nice cool backdrop while still having those, and all those are going to have the same color. So let's go untangle this and plug it in. There we go, and right away you can see what the lights are doing. Right, so that is connected to that, and now it's doing its own thing. And let's attach that to the back of the screen. Now, how would you do that? They did provide you with these. These are double adhesive cable straps. You put the cable extension in here, you clip it, and then this will hold the cable in place. Of course, if you don't want to do that, you can always use zip ties that they also gave you, or just regular tape, depending on the screen size. And you have up to 34 inches, which means we're going to have plenty of space here. Now, the back of this does have a double adhesive as well, so you can feel free to remove this. However, cable straps are definitely going to be good. All right, so you got a voice mode, and then you speak, and then all the lights turn on. Then you got another mode that kind of always remains the same, and you get the multicolor lights going, which is pretty cool, because this is what this is kind of known for as well. Just immersive gaming light. So the reason you have the game mode is because when you're playing a game on full audio, the lights will interact with the action of the game, which is super cool when you're actually playing this. This one is the mode that just kind of switches around and does this crazy strobe effect. This is yet another mode that kind of flickers around and moves. And we could turn this around as well so you can see more of the LEDs. And then you got this mode as well. It's a very sci-fi-ish type of a mode. And remember, the lights on the back are also going. And then you can play with the different modes. So you've got this one, and then you've got the colors. So you can go and change things around depending on how you do things. See? So all in all, pretty happy with this little setup. All right, so there are 2 42.3 centimeter lamps, max 172 lumens, input voltage DC 5 volts, so it can operate off a USB power port, and it's got a luminous angle of 270 degrees, and the LED strap's 180 degrees. There is no remote for this, so that is my only sort of thing, that I wish I had a remote, but it doesn't matter. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.